Hey, you. So, you want to get your rocks off? I got just the place. It's open 24/7, so you can get your rocks off anytime, as hard as you like it. Because we got hard ones, we got big ones, we got small ones to help you get your rocks off. And for our stuff and things, of course. Now we have rocks, crystals, artifacts. You know, rocks gotta got a background. I mean, everybody thinks, oh, it's just a rock. But crystals are rocks. And rocks are crystals. Not all rocks are crystals, but all crystals are rocks. Think about it. Alright, so our rocks might not be as pretty as these other rocks in stores, big box stores and stuff, or wherever. But the ones with the big points, you know, that's the classic. I mean, yeah, those are nice. They look nice. But not all of them are even natural. Some of them are made in a factory, made by man. Our rocks are divinely made by Gaia. Yes, birthed from the womb of Gaia, straight to you, thousands of years later. You know, because they're ancient, a lot of them. Well, most of them. We got all kinds of rocks and our stuff and things, and they all are natural healing rocks, artifacts, or fossils, or petrified wood. Yes, wood. I love wood. I got some big hard wood here. Yeah. Get your rocks off as many times as you want. Well, it depends on stock a day, because we have to go. We do hunt the crystals, rocks, artifacts ourselves. So we hunt them, we gather them. We don't really have to hunt rocks. We do, but I don't know. I guess really, yeah, you do hunt rocks too. So just not with a gun. We hunt with shovels and you know, other rock things. So anywho, come get your rocks off at my new website. FarOutStuffAndThings. FarOutStuffAndThings.com. We here at Mikey Lane Productions, we hunt the crystals and the rocks and all that jazz. But we also clean them, cleanse them energetically, and program them with intentions to serve the highest white light. They all are natural healing rocks and crystals. So, that we promise you. And from the Ozark Mountains, straight from the Ozark Mountains to you at FarOutStuffAndThings.com. Alright, so now a sneak peek at it's the first this has ever been shown, as far as I know, anywhere. So, alright, don't be telling everybody this, but we have acquired the first piece of sliced bread. Is ancient bread. This is after it was learned to be sliced. So it's, you know, when people say the best thing since sliced bread, this is what they're talking about. This even has a hole in it. So it has a kind of indent here, and there's actually quartz in there. Yeah. So, and actually holes are very healing. Yes, it is the first sliced piece of bread. See it? We have an ancient tiny spoon. You know, it's for like fairies, gnomes, just little people, or really anybody. I mean, I'm not judging. No judgment here. So, you know, you could be big people just using the little spoon. It's cute. And it even has 4 teeth marks in it. You see that? I don't know if you can see it. You see it? The teeth marks. I was a really hungry little fella, so. Anywho, little spoon could also be used as like a worry stone. ancient artifacts. Next time you want to get off on the internet, come to faroutstuffandthings.com.